Beehive. We're up at the beehive. Got big bunnies over here. Look at the size of the bunny, man. Big bunny. Nice, yeah. More rabbits. Rabbit. Chickens. Chick, 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 chick. Where are the gerbies?
Hello, Jerby. My name is Jerby.
Piggy. And then we have Bramble. Hello, Bramble. I like Bramble. She's a cutie. Guys in here, all waiting patiently. Love that guy as well. He's awesome over there. She maybe. Check him out, Mr. Rooster himself. This is Beehive Farm. The shipping container over there. Basically, this is 3-ish miles away from where Sam's mum lives. No, what I meant was where Ella's mum lives. It's about 3 to 4 miles away, so that's awesome.